May we find the courage to let go of fear and the pain of past conditioning.
Today I want to be sharing with you guys my direct experience with breathwork. Now, the form of breathwork that I will be doing, or that I have done previously, is circular breathing. So basically deep breaths coming in and out from the mouth. So right now I'm in Bali. I'm going to be meeting up with Hella for a private breathwork session, so we'll be meeting in about 2 hours time. And yeah, I'm really excited to get into it and kind of experience this on my own. So I will be documenting and recording my experience today with Hella, so I'm going to bring you along with me. Let's go.
You go with that. You're your own guide. If you feel that you need anything, like whether it's me to hold your hand or like place my hand on a certain point or talk to me, you let me know.
I will. I feel like you know anything. Thank you. Such a pleasure. My feet are like already tingling.
Yeah. Okay, go on in. Okay, so hands open, going through your breath. That's it. That's it, honey. You're doing really well. Meet what's here. Trust that everything that's coming up is here to support you in your healing. It's time to feel.
Started to rewatch the video and try and get it ready for editing, and damn, I've like already cried again just watching myself go through that. It's kind of confronting, and actually I got quite a lot more content. A lot more of it was recorded than I originally thought, so yeah, I'm very glad about that. So you will actually be able to see quite a bit more. So emotional. See, I have my puffy face now. Lots of crying and stuff. Hello, I'm back. So I'm home now. It's been maybe like 3 hours or so since I was with Hella. I stopped on the way home and just had something to eat and just kind of chilled out before coming back to my room. And I also walked home, which was about a half an hour walk, which was kind of fucking hot but also refreshing, to just kind of regroup and just think about everything a little bit more. So yeah, I mean, over the next couple of days, 2 weeks, I'm sure I will just be kind of taking on board everything that I experienced and how I felt, and just learning from all of that. I know with my last breathwork session, I don't know if I already mentioned this, but it's been like more than 2 months and I still think about it and I still feel like I'm learning things from that. So yeah, I am assuming it will be quite the same with this experience, this one. But it was super refreshing just to be in Hella's presence because she's super cool. So shouts to you, Hella. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate it. I do want to share my whole experience and what came up for me during breathwork, but I'm also kind of scared because it's kind of intense and something a bit full on to post to the world. But I want you to try it, and I guess the only way that maybe some people will be interested in trying it or a bit more curious about looking into it even is if I share my experience. Actually, the breathwork session goes for about an hour. We spent about 2.5 hours together. So before the breathwork session, before we got into it, we basically just had a chat, talked about what's been going on, how I've been feeling, kind of an intention for what I'm looking to get out of the breathwork, and the main things that I was looking to get out of it or hoping to kind of overcome and expecting to come up were my past trauma with losing my mum. So that happened when I was 12, and in the last breathwork session I could definitely feel her presence, and I knew that it was something that I had to deal with, which was very, very emotional at the time. Also my past relationships with ex-boyfriends that I know are kind of still just like lingering around and taking a toll on me and the way that I am and the things that I want to do, like that's kind of holding me back. And also in the last breathwork session I gauged that I really feel like I want to share and I want to create content like this, and kind of just dive into new experiences and positive experiences, and just do things that make me happy and that benefit me. And so in my last breathwork session it was very clear that that's what I should be doing, and that I should be kind of just following what I want to do and not being scared about it. And since then I've kind of put into place a few things, and one being this video, so documenting today's breathwork. Also fear of failure or judgment and things like that, but to be honest, now that I spoke with Hella just about it and shared everything with her, she's made me feel super confident that, you know, you guys and the people who are watching this hopefully will be the kind of people who actually benefit from what I'm sharing. Hella definitely reassured me a lot that my mum was with me and watching over me, which was super cool, and really, really nice to hear, because I was telling her, like, I often feel like my mum is there and around me, but I don't really know what to do with that feeling or that information. And for her to kind of confirm that my mum is always around me, and that although I am learning day and day about myself and about personal growth and about all of these wonderful things, in some way I'm also teaching my mum of things that maybe she didn't know when she was here on earth, and things that even in her past, I mean now that she has passed on in the next life, that is still bothering her, which is amazing. It makes me feel really good to know that she's proud of me, and that I'm on the right path and I'm doing the right thing, and that she's supporting me even if she's not here physically. Yeah, very cool. There was also a lot of positive that came up towards the end, which was really nice. I'm very fucking glad for, because that made me feel a lot better. And yeah, a lot of positive things were coming up in terms of what I'm doing and what I want to do, and what my kind of goals and plans are for the next few months, basically, like towards the end of the year. Now it's October, so the plans that I have in place for once I get home from Bali, and kind of shaping my year for next year. So hopefully I will be able to continue with all of the things that I want to do, and start new things and be able to create content for you guys and share all of that, because that would be super cool. If you're interested in trying the breathwork and you're looking to kind of get in touch or gain a bit more information about exactly what it is or what kind of things that Hella offers, I will definitely link everything down below for her Instagram, Lucas's Instagram, and their website for the O2 Awakening. They hold workshops all around the world, which I would say is the best kind of start for anyone who is interested in learning about breathwork or trying it. Or obviously you can come to Bali and have a wonderful holiday and experience it here privately. I definitely recommend the private session. I think that after doing it the first time in the group was really great, because like I felt supported and I felt not so much alone, and it wasn't really as daunting, I guess. Although usually I don't work well in very busy and group situations. I feel awkward and shy. But yeah, listening to other people's experiences and things like that, it kind of made me feel anyway like I wasn't alone in the journey for the first time. But now that I've experienced it once, I realized that I prefer to do it one-on-one, and like we really had a chance to talk properly together, and yeah, really just go right in and be completely open and vulnerable and ready to dive deep into like what's inside. I truly do think that breathwork's for everybody. If you're curious at all, I definitely recommend that you look into it and try it. There's also, you can also reach out to Hella and Lucas for some guidance or some information about doing the daily breath work. So hopefully I will be able to get back into doing the daily breath work, which is guided breathing by yourself. It takes around 5 minutes in the morning. It's really not that long, just to give yourself time to breathe and just time to think about how you're feeling and set your intention for the day, which I found really, really helpful. I can't say I stick to it every single day, but hopefully now I'll be able to practice it more often. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Me again. So I just wanted to say, if you are still watching, you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. And apologies for my puffy cry face. That's gonna take a little while to go down, I guess. And thank you for watching my video. This is my first time kind of like even filming or using the camera, talking in front of the camera. So if you do have any suggestions or any tips or feedback for me, I would really appreciate it if you want to comment down below and let me know what you think. And yeah, I will see you guys soon.